Happy Thanksgiving!
Where's everybody?
Huh?
Where's everybody?
Where's everybody? They're on the other side of the camera. Hey dolls, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. I really hope you all have a great week and have a happy Thanksgiving and great time spending with your family and friends. If you are doing that, we are just staying home, the four of us, and not going anywhere, not hosting anybody here for the first time ever. So it's a little weird, and I know this year has been trying for all of us, but I just want you all to know that you will continually stay in my prayers and my thoughts. I hope everyone is well, staying safe, doing what you need to make this year bearable, really. But I do, again, hope that you have a great Thanksgiving week and just a good old time and good food. So in today's video, I have another collaboration that I am doing with my good, sweet friend, Nadia over at DIY with Nadia. You guys really got to check her out if you haven't already. She does some really great DIYs. She's super quick to the point, like me. She just kind of gets it done. Her stuff looks really good. She has a variety of different styles that she shares, and she is just awesome at what she does. What she also does on Wednesdays are called Wreath Wednesdays. So she invited me to collaborate with her this week to bring you all some inspiration on your wreaths. So they are holiday wreaths, obviously, because we are in Christmas season, and you all know my style. It's super farmhouse, super like I really hope you guys get inspired by the wreaths that we are going to share with you. If you're new here, I would love if you would consider subscribing and hitting that bell right next to it so you don't miss an upload. All right, dolls, let's jump right in.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.
So for this wreath, you're going to grab a hula hoop from Dollar Tree, any size, it doesn't really matter. Then you're going to go ahead and take their 15 feet garland and go ahead and wrap the hula hoop up. This is what it looks like once you're complete. I did end up taking the film off of my hula hoop, but I lost the footage of it. So it's pretty easy. You just kind of slit a tear in it and then, or cut a slit in it, and then it comes right off, and then take the beads out. Then I picked up this garland actually from Walmart last year. It's a really nice, good quality garland, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up with it as well. And then this is what it looks like when that's all complete. And then I took the stems that were poking out of the garland and laid them down in one direction so they could all go one way. And now it's time for me to start layering. So I have a variety of greenery pieces and berries and pine cones, bells, bows, everything that you can think of. That's the best thing. That's the good thing about wreath making. All you're doing is layering things. So the first thing that I layered on here is going to be these these lamb ears that I picked up from Walmart. They were 98 cents. And then I have just a few other florals that I picked up from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So you just pick the variety that you want, and then you just start layering the green and then the colored pieces or like berries and stuff. It doesn't really matter how you layer everything else as long as you put all of the greenery pieces down first, and then you can put all the other accessories, if you will, around it. So yeah, I mean, that's basically all that it is, just layering.
We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is...
And then you can just put as much pine cones and berries as you want. I like a full looking wreath, but also something that just doesn't get overtaken by the additional things that are on the wreath.
On its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
And then for my little bows, they're not traditional bows because I'm not a bow maker. So all I did is took this black and white buffalo check ribbon that I got from Dollar General. It was $1, and I just started cutting strips of it, and then I would just tie them to make it look like kind of like bunny ears, but not bunny ears. But that's what I did, and then I just hot glued that all around until I was satisfied. I just kept filling this wreath in until I was satisfied with the look of it. I absolutely love it. I also added some bells on here, some silver bells. I did not paint them because I love the look of silver bells against all of this green and red, and I just love the sound that it makes when I open my front door and you have these bells ringing. It's so much fun. I really, really, really do love this.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated.
Alright dolls, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave me a comment below letting me know your thoughts, what you would change, what kind of wreath are you looking for this holiday season, or what colors you're going for. Also, make sure you give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it, and make sure you head over to Nadia's channel to see what she's come up with. Alright dolls, I will see you on the next one. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.
Just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow